What's over there? Are you
Going
gonna
to the gadget shop.
gadget shop?
Yeah, we're going to the gadget shop and also the adult store. You should do a vending machine. Ow! Ow! Gotta love that veg.
Most of them.
It's a $3 bag.
Told you it was a pencil case.
You were right.
I got your fatty tuna.
Whoa. So this next place apparently has like really good meat. You put it on the grill yourself, you grill it yourself, and apparently it melts in your mouth. It's supposed to be really good. It looks like it's packed in there. So I don't know if we'll be able to make it in or not, but we'll give it a shot. We finally made it in here. Nice little hidden gem. What was this? Whiskey sauce soda? What did you think of that last place we were at?
The meat place?
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious. Probably one of my favorite spots so far.
Oh, really? You would go that high? Nice. Yeah, I really enjoyed it too. Cool. All right, now we're on to where are we going next?
We're gonna... Tom is gonna hit on this little restaurant.
We're in the souvenir shop. This dude literally grabbed some razors and started shaving his face. Like, all right, here's the adult store. Ladies first. I don't know if I could show this actually. That's to keep your shirt from getting wrinkled. Throw it just to blow it, man.
I think you need that.
Oh, I see. You set it like this. Oh, wow. This actually feels really good.
You have good posture now?
Yeah, I kind of want to buy this.
I'm that type of person that moves a lot, so I'll be like, all right, next point.
Sublime. What kind do you want? Sublime Volcanic from the Philippines. Spiciness and bitterness and acidity that dance in your mouth. Enjoy volcanic chocolate that has the passionate flavor. I mean, these things were expensive. We're talking like, what was it, like $11 for 3 Kit Kats. So we're gonna try it. It's gonna be good. Apparently they have like a master chef make the chocolate for this stuff, so we'll see what it's like. You can taste it. It is bitter, but then it turns sweet, and then you taste a little acidity. It's interesting. It's pretty cool. That's not bad. I like that. I think that's like a dark chocolate, and I don't really like dark chocolate. Well done, Kit Kat.
What's up?
Is this going or
You have to press on those.
This is the reason we're in the mall. I'm not really sure what this place is, but we will find out. Put your hand in there.
What? This is woman, and it has a pee spot there. It's probably for the kids.
This is what we ordered. What were you saying? It's our it's not bread. It's not fried bread. What is it?
It's like gelatin-based, like rice dough.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Interesting. When in Rome.
Many wiped their kids down, and some even sprayed them with disinfectant spray as they took them home Monday.
I wiped my children backpack down when I got them out of school. Sure did. Got them gloves. Sure did.
Some took more extreme measures.
It's messed up. The flu killing more folks than everywhere, so what's up? We gonna die anyway.